which I had to do a temporarily fix the port. If you probably when you put headphones in, only one side works. So here's a easy way to fix it. Okay, let's get in. Tin foil. This you want to do is that you want to wrap it up. So I figure what you really have to do is just wrap around these three little things right there. And then once it goes in, it'll look like that. It stays in there. But you want to just get make it short, so it just wraps perfectly around. Wrap it up, put it in there. And it works on both headphones work. This one works. And that one. They're both equal. That's how you do that. So that's how you use tin foil. Wrap around just the main parts. I guess that's because that's where the audio is. Put it in there and it works. And you probably just have to twist it or wiggle around to get it activated. So yes, that's all you gotta do to fix it. Okay, bye.